Hey guys, welcome back to my another YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your default Kali Linux password to your desired password. So to begin to change your password on Kali Linux, you have to open your terminal. Then after opening your terminal, type password, which is PASSWD, then click on enter. Now the option is current password, so Kali Linux is telling us to input the current password, which I'm going to be inputting now, but it's not going to show on your terminal. So now the next option is to input your new password. Now the output is password updated successfully. So if you log this Kali Linux, so let's log out and log in back again. Now the username is Kali, then the password should be. Now it works, and that is just it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.